Hi, well, hello everybody. Yes, you're right, I'm sitting on the loo, the lid's down, it's okay. We got a problem with the loo. It takes a long time to fill up, and apparently now the flush has stopped working, so we actually have to at this point fix it. So we went to B&Q and we bought this, which is a complete kit. It has the filler on one side and it has the cistern siphon or whatever it's called on the other side of it. It's 2 inches, and this has actually got a brass threaded adapter on it, which is quite nice because the other one had a plastic threaded adapter. Don't forget, you're going to need some PTFE tape, you're going to need spanners, probably a screwdriver. It is 2:45 in the afternoon. Anyway, here we go. 1 dial dual flush and fill valve kit from Bodget and Quickly, B&Q. We're going to have to shut off the water supply. Most households have a little stopcock type valve here. Alright, okay, so we're going to have to get in here and remove the existing assembly. Oh my goodness, if I remember correctly, that just pops off. There it is, jolly good. But let's try and empty that out manually. Okay, so make sure you've got some old t-shirts, towels, rags, or something like that kicking around. You're almost definitely going to have a little bit of leakage going on. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a spanner and we're going to undo. Alright, so we've been telling lots of poo jokes as we've been doing this, but this is a poo job. I hate working on toilets. Alright, so what we've done then is we've taken off the little wing nuts on the bottom. We've also disconnected the water supply to the cistern, so in theory the cistern should now just come off. Empty all that lovely blue water into the bath. Okay, so good news. We now have a rather heavy, oops, there's a screw in there. Right, we now have in the bath a rather heavy cistern. Okay, so this is the replacement inlet system, and this is the replacement. Oh boy, is that going to fit? Oh, that's totally sucking. Right, okay. Looks like we've got to go back to the store. Hi, honey. Right, you know what? Good news. I didn't destroy the packaging too badly. So back to B&Q and get the one that fits this time. Okay, so I went back to B&Q. None of the fittings that they have are the regular fitting in the dial set, which you saw earlier. So I've had to buy 2 different devices, and on top of that, they didn't have anything with a push button for the top. So yeah, toilet troubles with B&Q really. The key thing is to make sure that your surfaces, your mating surfaces for your rubber grommets, are relatively clean and dry. So I'll just give these a little bit of a wiping out. A wipe out.
That is then used to make sure that makes a good seal.
Alright, and so remember the old slightly rusty looking rubber grommet? I'm just going to go ahead and reuse that bad boy. Okay, so let's refit the the washer, the big rubber seal, sorry, it's not a washer, and then to the toilet over here. Alright, so we're getting the butterfly nuts back in place. Alright guys and girls, so here we go, let's turn it on and see what happens. Alright, well, it's looking promising there. The deal here then is you need to set the height of this before you install it. Another failure on my part, very dubious. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and turn this off. Alright. Bad thing about plastic pipes, unless they're exactly, sometimes you end up cross-threading them, which is exactly what I appear to have done with this bad boy. Right, have we got any leaks?
Oh, no obvious leaking happening, so that's good news. Let's see what the system's actually. No, chains all the way down in there again then.
The key thing to check here, this pipe, which is the overflow pipe, the level of any holes, like this hole here and this hole here, are higher. These holes are higher than the top of this overflow. Oh, hello. Well, here we are then, on the loo, and I think we've got it sorted. Can't see any obvious leaks. The problem that we do have is this is now a pull to activate flush, as opposed to a push to activate flush. It's 440, so yeah, it's taken a while. Cheers!